What are the signs of damage to frozen pipes?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, especially for those of you living in colder climates: how to spot the signs of damage to frozen pipes. In extreme cold, pipes can freeze and even burst, leading to costly repairs. Let's discover how you can identify the early signs and prevent extensive damage.
What causes pipes to freeze?
When temperatures drop significantly, water in your pipes can freeze. This frozen water expands, increasing pressure within the pipe, which may lead to cracking or even bursting. The most common reason for pipe freezing is inadequate insulation or exposure to cold air, particularly in parts of your home that aren't heated.
What are the signs of frozen pipes?
Now let's look at the telltale signs that your pipes might be frozen. 1. Unexpected changes in water flow. A noticeable reduction in water pressure or complete stoppage is a clear sign your pipes may be frozen. 2. Frost on the pipes. If you can see the pipes, like those under a sink, frost accumulation on the exterior is a good indicator of freezing. 3. Strange sounds. Unusual sounds like clanking, bubbling, or whistling coming from the pipes could indicate freezing. 4. Unpleasant odors. If there's a blockage in the pipe, it may cause unpleasant odors to waft back into your home. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to take action quickly to thaw the pipes and prevent them from bursting.
What are the signs of damage to frozen pipes?
If frozen pipes aren't dealt with promptly, they can lead to severe damage. Here are some signs your pipes may have already sustained damage. 1. Leaks or wet spots. If you see wet spots on your floors, ceilings, or walls, or if you notice dripping or pooling water, these are strong signs of a possible pipe burst. 2. Discolored water. When your pipes begin to corrode or break down, your water may turn a brownish color. 3. Inconsistent water temperature. If your water temperature fluctuates wildly, this could signal damage within your piping system. Remember, if you spot any of these signs, it's crucial to contact a professional plumber immediately to avoid further damage to your property. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the signs of damage to frozen pipes. With this knowledge, you'll be able to spot potential issues early and take necessary action, saving your home from expensive water damage. Stay warm, stay vigilant, and remember, prevention is always better than cure.